Hey, good morning, my friends. I just finished my morning jog. Don't forget to go out and do your physical exercise today. On my way back, kind of on my recovery angle or my recovery lap, I passed a driveway. It was really cool, and some kids had chalked, love is love. And I just thought, oh, wouldn't that just be fun to be able to sit down and do some chalking? I don't know why my childhood flashed back. I started reminiscing about, what about the good old days where you were a kid and you could just live carefree and do stuff and live hour by hour and not worry about the big world problems. And then I kind of kept myself in check and remembered that, I'm an adult. I have choices, and I've made choices to create my life a certain way. So if I want to sit my ass down and chalk and have some fun, that's a choice I have to make. I'll have to sacrifice something else, but it just reminded me that I'm adulting because adulting is a choice. And if you ever find yourself, reminiscing about the good old days, please just remember that all this adulting stuff we do is a choice. It's what we've chosen. We've chosen to sacrifice our innocence and our fun and living moment by moment in the interest of paying bills and having a house and having a family. And these are choices we make every day. That's perfectly acceptable, and I'm okay with that. But you know what? If I want to do some chalking, if I want to run on the sprinkler, if I want to do all that fun stuff that I used to do as a kid and live a little bit carefree, I can do that. I have the choice. There is nothing stopping me right now from driving to a local store, buying a bucket of chalk, and sitting down and having some fun. So try to find something like that when you reminisce. Think about that thing that you reminisce about and remember that, there's nothing stopping me from doing that. I can still do that. I just have to sacrifice time in someplace else. And we get those, 8 to 12 hours a day where we make those choices and we can choose to do the fun stuff. And I really do choose to do a lot of fun stuff. The adulting gets in there, but just remember, when you ever start reminiscing, that thing you're reminiscing about, you can do. And if it's really strong and it pulls you in really strong, then for all means, for the love of all that is holy, please do that. Hope you have a great, great day, and we'll talk to you soon.